We are here to proclaim that our God is with us. We are here to shout out the good news that Jesus is risen and He is alive in us. Amen? God resides in the praises of His people. So let's join our hearts and voices together, singing to our risen King, asking Him to show us His power, His glory, and His presence.
We've waited for this day. We've gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your glory like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Oh, my praise.
Your presence in this place, your glory on our face. We're looking to the sky. We're standing like a cloud. You're standing with us now. Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing.
Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise.
Open up the heavens,
We want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory.